Hello and welcome to Melni Connector's instructional videos. The following are instructions to aid in the installation of a direct burial and submersible inline splice Melni connector. Step 1. Select the appropriate Melni connector for the conductor to be crimped. Verify that the conductor and connector markings are the same. Step 2. Strip the cable to the length required. Refer to the marking arrows on the connector that indicate how much insulation will need to be stripped. This can be done by holding the conductor next to the Melni connector and marking where the insulation will need to be trimmed. Scratch brush the conductor thoroughly. Aluminum oxidizes very quickly and forms a hard, non-visual, non-conductive coating over its surface. It is very important to always wire brush the strip portion of the wire before the next step. Step 3. Apply antioxidant to the conductor to prevent the formation of surface oxides once the connection is made. Once both conductors have been stripped and coated, you are ready to install the Melni connector. Step 4. Remove the plugs and loosen the sealing caps. Be sure not to twist the ratchet caps at this time. Insert both conductors, making sure the conductors have been inserted all the way. Step 5. Using channel locks, grip the body of the connector and one of the ratchet caps. Twist the cap until it no longer clicks. Repeat this action on the other side. Note the second ratchet cap may not click down as many times as the first. To finish installation, simply hand tighten the sealing caps. It's important that the sealing caps are thoroughly tightened to ensure a proper environmental seal. Thank you for watching. Be sure to visit melniconnectors.com to see more exciting products from Melni Connectors. And as always, contact us with any questions or concerns.